Hello everybody, this is very short video about how you can set up the paper cut for yourself. Okay, just if you have a Windows based device, you have an app which name is Software Center or Company Portal. So just run the Software Center app and then searching for paper cut printer, which is this one. But before that, just make sure you connect with the wire, or if you connect to network with wireless, make sure you connect with the DISD Wi-Fi, because some device automatically connect to network by DISD Global, which is not right. So please check this, and then if it's connect to DISD Global, disconnected, and then connect to DISD Wi-Fi. But mine is connected by wire, so I don't have any problem with that. So then I'm going to install it. Sometimes it take a time, sometimes it just install fast. So it depends how the server work for us. Just wait a little bit. Okay, now it's installed, and then I just have to sign in. Then after I sign in, I can use it. So just see, after when I sign in username, the username is supposed to be hold your email address and then your password. Yeah, it's the password. Okay. So after I sign in, you see it's going to update, download some update for me here, and then okay, one of them is installed, and then the second one. Okay, second one is also installed. So I have two devices here, okay, so I can use them. Uh, the problem here, sometimes when it try to sign in here, it says fail. And one of the major part is because you connect to wrong network. So just be careful about it. If you use the right network, it's supposed to work properly. Otherwise, just need to, it maybe is install it before, and then you have to uninstall that one and reinstall it back. So usually the problem is not that much major and you can solve it, but still if you have struggling with it, just make a ticket so your tech will coming and see what is the problem and what stop to use Papercut. Okay, I hope this short video helping you to save your time and do something faster for yourself. Okay, have a great day.